Thank you.
Enjoy your stay, folks.
Yes. Oh, okay.
You can join this group right over here.
All right, thank you.
Yes, to the library. No, sir, this is a library. Once again, guests, welcome to the library. Unfortunately, your rooms are not yet finished, but feel free to take a look around in our library until it is ready for you. Make sure not to touch anything or sit on the furniture as it might fall apart, and I don't want you to get hurt. Enjoy. I know books are scary. They are.
You unlock this door with the key of imagination. Beyond it is another dimension. A dimension of sound. A dimension of sight. A dimension of mind. You're moving into a land of both shadow and substance, of things and ideas. You've just crossed over into the Twilight Zone.
Hollywood, 1939. Amid the glitz and the glitter of a bustling young movie town at the height of its golden age, the Hollywood Tower Hotel was a star in its own right, a beacon for the show business elite. Now, something is about to happen that will change all that. On an evening very much like the one we have just witnessed. Tonight's story of the Twilight Zone is somewhat unique and calls for a different kind of introduction. This, as you may recognize, is a maintenance service elevator, still in operation, waiting for you. We invite you, if you dare, to step aboard because in tonight's episode, you are the star, and this elevator travels directly to the Twilight Zone.
Dear guests, your rooms are now ready. You may exit the library through the back. I sure do hope you enjoy your stay. If you'd like to not ride our elevator or go upstairs, you can ask our next bellhop to escort you to the exit.
Okay, thank you so much. Are you ready? That's fine, that's fine.
safety away from board, please remain seated in your seatbelt fastened, keeping your hands, arms, and legs inside the ride at all times. And do take special care to supervise your children. Thank you. Estimados huéspedes, permanezcan sentados, levantando sus manos, brazos, pies.
All right.
Here, my friend in the corner, yellow strap. The yellow on the right. Yellow strap over here. Yeah, all right. Yellow strap. My front row. What a cool yellow strap. Yellow, yellow. Yellow's over here. Yellow strap. And my three right here. Go ahead and pull, or my four. Go ahead and pull the yellow strap. All right, everyone, both hands up. Everyone, both hands up. All right. Enjoy your set.
You were the passengers in a most uncommon elevator that was set into your very own episode of Twilight Zone. One stormy night long ago, 5 people stepped through the door of an elevator into a nightmare. That door is open once again. This time, it's already for you. Discover what lies beyond the dimension, beyond the deepest, darkest part of your imagination. The Tower of something you won't find in any guide book. The next time you check into a deserted hotel on the dark side of Hollywood, make sure you know just what kind of vacancy you're filling, or you may find yourself a permanent resident of the Twilight Zone.
That's interesting. What kind of stuff? So let's go further back and turn. Here we go.
Oh my god, other people screaming now.
Do come back and see us again. Thank you.
Uh-oh. Oh.
My seatbelt just unlocked, so I think we're done. Yours did? I don't know.
Wait till we come back. We hope you enjoyed your stay. Check out the
Enjoy your stay.
Oh, there I am.
Yo creo que lo toca ahí y va a quedar en vivo.